In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your microphone is not working on PS4. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings and scroll down and select Devices and go to Audio Devices. Now the first error is that your headset isn't fully plugged into your controller, so go ahead and do that now and you'll know it's worked if the input device automatically switches over to headset connected to controller. If not, it could be the controller's broken or your headset mic's broken. Now under output device, I'm going to change this to the headset as well. And now we're going to go to adjust microphone level. So if you notice you're talking into your headset mic, no input volume, the first thing you want to do is have a look on your actual headset to see if there's a mute toggle. And I'm going to ensure my microphone is turned on my actual headset. And now you'll notice it's still not working. So the next thing you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller and select Sound and Devices at the top and ensure mute game voice chat is turned off, and same thing goes for mute all microphones. Now when you do this, your microphone will likely work. You could also try turning up the microphone level as well and ensure that volume is getting in that good section there. Now once you've done that, you can go back. Now if you have a volume dial on your headset, make sure that's turned up, and same thing goes for the actual headphones on PS4. And under output to headphones, we're going to do all audio. And I recommend you turn on switch output device automatically, so you're not going to have to change these every time. Now go back, and if you're into broadcasts and sharing and such, and you notice your headset mic's not working, go to sharing and broadcasts. And once you're here, go down to audio sharing settings, and you can turn these settings on if you'd like to include your microphone in video clips or broadcasts. Now, if your microphone's still not working, I'd recommend having a look in the settings for the specific game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.